Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I have here a cute little haul sent to me by a friend, another Canadian friend here, who wanted to share an ink that I was looking for, and I'm so grateful. So thank you so much, Ashley. You sent through Queen and Castle, which I have absolutely loved, and then found that it was sold out everywhere. So Ferris Wheel Press, Queen and Castle. And then she also sent me a little sample of Workshop Wishes, so I'll be swatching both of those today. And then she also sent me a little bag of goodies, which, oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my god, these, oh my gosh, they're cute little clips. Ooh, love them, sturdy, perfect for the corners. Oh wow, that is cute. I will definitely enjoy those. And then a whole bunch of stickers. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Oh, these will be so lovely to use in my journal. And then I think some pet tape as well. Oh wow, these are stunning. Oh, look at the coffee with the flowers and the iced coffee. Oh my gosh, these are going to be so fun to use. Thank you so much. Oh wow, lovely, lovely. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's pretty. I think that one's a vinyl sticker. The vinyl stickers I will stick probably one in here. Oh my gosh, they're all beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to keep them in the bag so I don't lose them. But thank you so much, Ashley, for sending that through. And don't ever apologize for being delayed on these. I'm just so grateful that you sent these to me. So thank you so much. All right, so what I'm going to do here is actually, I guess, do a little bit of an art piece with these two inks. And I'm taking inspiration from Eric. So Eric Gamma, of the owner of Amadeo Stationery. And I'm sorry, but how cute are these little bottles? They're 20 milliliters. And I know Ferris Wheel Press is normally very expensive per milliliter. So if you are going to buy their ink, it's a bit of an investment compared to other inks, but you're also paying for their packaging and things like that. Now, you know, there's been some debate about the way Ferris Wheel Press does some of their marketing and certain business practices. It's not something I will get into here, but I do love the ink. So I'm going to grab a couple of pipettes here, and this is something that I've never done in this particular notebook before. So I've agitated this ink here. I'm going to agitate this here as well, so that both the inks are ready to go. And I'm a little unsure about how I'm going to do this. So I'm going to do that one first, leave that on its side. So open this up. Like, the bottles are adorable, but they're really impractical for filling pens. So I'm going to take some in, and I'm going to actually put drops on this side. Just kind of spread them out like that. And then I'm gonna do Workshop Wishes very quickly. Oh my goodness, I'm actually making myself nervous doing this because I'm having to be a little quicker. Okay, and I'm not doing my regular sandwich bag here. What I'm going to be doing is, I don't know how this is going to turn out either. I'm going to shut the pages on this and kind of hope that the ink moves its way around, and then we'll see what happens when I take them apart. Oh, I feel like I needed to add more to that. I might add a little bit more to get more of an effect. Hold on. So we'll add a little bit more of that Queen and Castle. And what I love about this is that it has some beautiful shimmer, which I will say Ferris Wheel Press does shimmer really well. And then I'm going to put some more of the Workshop Wishes in here. Now I know this is not going to be indicative of how well this writes, but why not do a little bit of an art piece with the inks while I can. Okay. So let's shut these pages again. And while you get to stare at my currently inked. And try to move the ink around a bit and see what we get. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. And you can see just the way that that ink shades. It's beautiful. So I'm going to grab here my nib holder. This is from River City Pen Co. And Rich is the greatest guy to be able to buy these from because like they're just absolutely beautiful, and then they fit the Kakamori brass nib. So I'm going to grab some of these Workshop Wishes and put some on my nib and do a little writing sample down here. So this is Ferris Wheel. I'm going to get this on my hand somehow. Press. And this is Workshop. I can already feel that this ink is probably going to be a little dry, but it is stunning. Wishes. And it is a beautiful, beautiful ink. Gorgeous. And look at the way that that's shading, and then that silver shimmer in there. That's stunning. So I'm doing my swatches a little bit differently. I just wanted to try something. Since I only had 2 inks to swatch, I thought why not try something like this. So then we're going to take some of the Workshop Wishes, and this ink was what inspired me to get Wearing Gold Heart, the glitter potion, and add it to Inaho, Pilot of Roshizuku Inaho. So where am I going to write this without getting ink all over myself? So we have Ferris Wheel Press, 2 S's, Karina, Queen, and Castle. Beautiful, beautiful ink. And I love the shade of like that mustardy brown yellow with the rose gold shimmer. Stunning. And I've already used this in a pen and it actually behaved really, really well. So I was very happy when Ashley said to me, I can give you the bottle. I'm like, yes, please. So how beautiful are those things? I'm going to wait for those to dry and then show you when they're done. Well, that's still taking the time to dry. I'm going to compare Ferris Wheel Press, Queen, and Castle to, I guess, other yellows in the collection. And these are the only yellow adjacent inks that I have. Probably the most typical yellow is that Pannonia Amarillo, Amarillo Antiguo. And then this, I almost want to try and compare Pilot of Roshizuku Inaho with Queen and Castle. This is definitely darker and a little more green than the Pilot of Roshizuku Inaho, but like, look at that shimmer. And that's why I wanted to buy the glitter heart, just to kind of emulate Queen and Castle. And I thought they were a good combination. So then comparing them to other browns that I have in my collection. So we have Queen and Castle and Workshop Wishes, and comparing them to, for example, Herbon Lita Tay, and then comparing to actually Ferris Wheel Press Oyster Hour, and comparing it to the two. It is definitely warmer in tone and darker than Workshop Wishes. And then let's find, there's another Ferris Wheel Press that I want to compare it to. Here we go. We have Majestic Maple Syrup, And on camera it looks the same, but the Majestic Maple Syrup is actually lighter, and it leans more towards, I feel like, the beige, whereas Workshop Wishes is warmer and leans almost a little bit more to the orange side of the brown. So really interesting to see even the similarities, but also the different nuances between the inks. So the inks are still wet and still drying, but you can see the different pooling of the shading and the pooling of the shimmer. Absolutely beautiful. And I love doing it this way because it's not a way that I've swatched before. And Ferris Wheel Press inks are beautiful for artwork. Not always the most practical for everyday writing, but beautiful nonetheless. So what I'm going to do is actually take a couple of the stickers that Ashley sent me along with her beautiful package, and I'm going to put these on the page. So I'm creating my own little artwork here, and I'm going to place this. This is like washi tape paper. It's beautiful, and I feel like I'm going to end up covering something, even though I don't want to. I don't want to cover the shimmer, but there is shimmer in other places. So hold on. I don't normally do this, but I mean, like, I was going to put, actually that might work better there. This one can work elsewhere. And just put the sticker down, Karina. And then this one, gosh, these are beautiful. And I always like, now the way that I've done my ink journal, I really like including the stickers where I can, because I think it's just, if somebody has gone to the effort of adding these to their ink package, I think it's just a great way to commemorate that I've cataloged it. I'm going to put a date stamp on here. I've added it to the Wearing Goal swatch cards. So I've done everything in terms of cataloging it, but I just want to be able to look back on it and, you know, see the beautiful, beautiful inks, and why not have fun with them like this? So, oh, I love that. All right, so that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. This was so fun to do with these inks. So really, at the end of the day, if you're having trouble finding ways to use all of your inks, just play with your inks, have fun with them. Don't worry about having to try and just ink them up. If you think that creating a little art project like this is what you can do with them, then go have at it, have fun. And once again, thank you so much to Ashley for sending these inks. I am so grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you all so much, and have yourselves a wonderful day.